Welcome to the tutorial on how to enroll as a Jeunesse Independent Distributor. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the sign-up process. Please keep in mind, if you leave the process at any time after entering your email address, you will receive an email with a link to resume enrollment. To begin your enrollment, please go to your sponsor's replicated website and click Join Our Family. On the next page, please select the country you will be operating your distributorship and your preferred language. Once you've selected these items, click Continue. On the next page, please enter the required information. Please be sure to enter this information accurately. Once you've completed these fields, you will need to indicate that you have read and agreed to our privacy policy and consent to use electronic records. When completed, click Continue. Next, indicate whether you will sign up as an individual or as a company. For this tutorial, we will proceed with instructions for an individual sign-up. You will also need to certify that you are at least 18 years old and that you have read the distributor agreement. After this, click Get Started. Now we will complete your profile and enrollment. First, please enter your mailing address, then click Save and Continue. Next, enter your website and username. Your username is also referred to as your URL. When advertising your business, you may direct your customers and leads to your replicated website to order and to enroll in your organization. A temporary password will be sent to you during enrollment. You will use your username and password the first time you access your J office. You will also enter your Social Security number or tax ID and date of birth on this page. Additionally, you will indicate here whether you have a co-applicant on your account. Once you've certified that the Social Security number you've entered is correct, click Save and Continue. Next, you will select your Jeunesse Starter Kit. The Starter Kit includes your replicated website and J office. Once you've selected your Starter Kit, click Save and Continue. Next, you will select your sign-up package. This is optional. You may choose to skip this step. When selecting a sign-up package, you may click on the name of the package to see the full package details. After you select a sign-up package, click Save and Continue. Next, you have the option of setting up a recurring order with Smart Delivery. Smart Delivery will automatically bill you and ship pre-selected products to you monthly and can be managed from your J office. It is not required that you set up a Smart Delivery, and you may choose to skip this step. Clicking on the name of the product or package will give you additional information about that item. Once you've selected the products and/or packages you wish to have on your Smart Delivery, click Save and Continue. On the checkout page, enter your shipping address if it is different from your mailing address, and reconfirm your phone number and email address. Select a shipping method from the available options. Once you selected your shipping method, click Continue to Payment. Choose your payment method from the available options and follow the instructions for completing your payment. If using a credit card as payment during enrollment from a mobile device, you may scan your credit card to have the information automatically filled. Once you've done this, click Review Order and confirm the details of your order before billing. If you've opted to enroll in Smart Delivery, you will need to indicate your understanding of the terms of Smart Delivery on this page. Next, you will be able to review all the details of your order and enrollment. If everything is accurate, click Submit Order to complete your enrollment and receive your order number. This completes our video on how to enroll. We thank you for joining the Jeunesse family. If you have any questions, please contact your sponsor or upline.